Another 14-year-old girl has been murdered and her body dumped in her community. This comes less than a month after 14-year-old Yatania Francis, who was raped and killed in Arnett Gardens, was laid to rest. This time, the victim is Raven Wilson of St. Anne's Bay, in what is believed to be a case of attempted rape.
Another grief-stricken mother weeps, brought to tears at the death of her teenage daughter. 14-year-old Raven Wilson, a student of the Ocho Rios High School in St. Anne. Her battered body found approximately 6 o'clock Sunday morning on Top Road in St. Anne's Bay. Her parents say on Friday, Raven did not come home from school at the usual time, and so they took action.
I go to the station and report it. Say Raven is missing. The police take a statement from me and tell me that he was calling me back, and I never see anything done.
And again, more action, printing flyers with her picture and asking around for assistance. But when they returned to the station on Saturday, the police made a broadcast that she was missing and assisted with phone calls to persons who they believe may have information on her whereabouts. But on Sunday, her father, Loxley Wilson, got a call that a body was found in a bag in the Top Road community. He rushed to the location where their greatest fear was confirmed.
I'm going on there. I'm a bit in there. I really don't know nobody know. Raven, I don't know nobody know. When I see Raven, I see a sucky finger, I walk a sucky finger.
Mr. Wilson says from what he saw, he believes her attacker tried to rape her.
I said her uniform ripped, and she's still up on her tights and so. You understand? She was, maybe it was an attempt of rape, but it couldn't happen. She was ornamented, so she gets licked to the face.
The police say they are following strong leads in identifying those responsible. Investigators say they will be awaiting the results of a post-mortem to determine the cause of death. Raven's mother says the community members are also livid about what has happened.